Okay, today we're going to talk about Zinnia seeds. So there's coated Zinnia seeds and non-coated Zinnia seeds. Right here is from Ball Seeds. These are non-coated seeds. And right here, Zinnia Dreamland Rose. These are coated seeds. Okay, the reason why seeds are coated is because when you plant them in a cell tray or something like that, like we use a vacuum seeder to plant them in, when you plant them, you can see that you got one seed in every cell, and it makes it really nice and easy to plant. You got non-coated seeds. The non-coated seeds are brown. They're going to mix in with the seed starting mix or the dirt. So what we're going to do here, we're going to take a look at these Zinnia Binary Giants first. These are non-coated seeds. So we're going to take a look at them here and show you what they look like. We're opening this package up here, and we're going to show you. As you can see there, those are just brown seeds. All right. Those would be really hard to see in a cell tray with brown soil. So right here, there you go. There's the Zinnia Binary Giant line. Okay. Right here, these are the coated Zinnia Dreamland Rose. So that variety here is a coated variety. You can look at these and see that they're yellow. So the yellow look makes it where it's really nice. You could actually see to plant those in a cell tray if you're using a vacuum seeder or planting them by hand. There's the difference between coated, coated's right here, non-coated is here. So there's a big difference in the seeds, and the better ones to plant are the coated ones. We like the coated ones, and they're better for production. Places like us, we do at Garden Starts Nursery, we roughly do probably 60 trays of Zinnia seeds every season. So we got to plant them fast with the vacuum seeder. All right, thanks for watching this video, how we're explaining the difference between non-coated and coated Zinnia seeds.